The DexBoard magnetic dry erase whiteboard offers a generously sized writing surface that feels noticeably roomier than many common home office boards, making it well suited for planners, task lists, and brainstorming. Its dry erase surface is smooth and resistant to scratching, so markers write cleanly and erase without lingering shadows even after repeated use. Because the board is magnetic, it doubles as an organizer, where you can keep documents, reminders, and photos visible without cluttering your desk. The silver aluminum frame with reinforced corners feels sturdy on the wall and keeps the board rigid so it does not flex or wobble while you are writing. A removable tray along the bottom provides a convenient place to keep markers and an eraser within reach, which helps the board stay tidy and ready to use. Included hardware allows you to mount the board either horizontally or vertically, making it easy to fit into a variety of home, office, or study spaces.